In the fast-paced landscape of modern kitchens, innovation is the key to transforming daily routines. Among the most talked about advancements in recent years is the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker, a device that has redefined what it means to cook efficiently, safely, and creatively at home. As we move further into 2024, the Instant Pot Duo Plus continues to be at the forefront of high-tech kitchen appliances, merging versatility with user-friendly design to meet the evolving needs of today's home cooks. The Duo Plus isn't just a pressure cooker. It's a multi-cooker powerhouse that consolidates 9 distinct cooking functions into a single compact device. With the ability to pressure cook, slow cook, sauté, steam, sous vide, make yogurt, sterilize, bake cakes, and keep foods warm, it effectively replaces a whole suite of kitchen appliances. This consolidation not only saves valuable counter space, but also streamlines meal preparation, making it a go-to choice for those who value efficiency and simplicity. One of the standout features of the Duo Plus is its intuitive control panel and clear digital display. Recent reviews have praised its user-friendly interface, which allows even novice cooks to navigate complex cooking settings with confidence. The appliance offers preset programs tailored for a variety of dishes, from fluffy rice and tender beans to perfectly cooked meats. The sauté function has been particularly well received, enabling users to brown or caramelize ingredients directly in the pot before transitioning seamlessly to pressure cooking or slow cooking modes. This flexibility enhances flavor development while minimizing extra dishes and cleanup. Another area where the Instant Pot Duo Plus excels is its ability to adapt to diverse culinary needs. The sous vide function, for example, brings restaurant-quality precision to home kitchens, allowing for the gentle, controlled cooking of proteins and vegetables. Meanwhile, the yogurt making and sterilizing functions appeal to those interested in health-conscious or homemade food preparation. And for busy families or individuals, the time-saving benefits of pressure cooking, turning hours-long recipes into meals ready in minutes, cannot be overstated. It's important to note the broader context behind the Instant Pot brand. In June 2023, the parent company, Instant Brands, faced significant financial challenges and filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy. This development raised questions about the company's future and the availability of its products. However, by March 2024, the company successfully emerged from bankruptcy, re-establishing itself as Instant Pot Brands, a standalone entity. This turnaround signals renewed stability and a commitment to ongoing innovation, reassuring both current and prospective customers about the longevity of their investment. Recent reviews and industry roundups continue to place the Instant Pot Duo Plus among the top multi-cookers on the market. Experts have highlighted its consistent cooking performance and the convenience of its all-in-one design. In head-to-head tests, it stands out for its ability to deliver well-cooked meals across a range of recipes, especially when compared to single-function appliances. The device's safety features, such as automatic pressure release and multiple safeguards, underscore its suitability for families and first-time users alike. With ongoing deals and discounts, the Instant Pot Duo Plus remains competitively priced, making advanced cooking technology more accessible than ever. For those seeking to upgrade their kitchen with a high-tech gadget that truly makes a difference, the Duo Plus is an investment in both convenience and culinary potential. In summary, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker exemplifies how cutting-edge design and multifunctionality can transform home cooking. Its recent updates, user-friendly features, and the company's revived momentum ensure that it remains a top contender in the world of high-tech kitchen gadgets. For anyone looking to simplify meal prep without sacrificing quality or flavor, the Duo Plus stands as a testament to modern ingenuity in the kitchen. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.